Hello and welcome. In the last video, we had a discussion about UVM print method. Now, in this video, I will explain you how copy method will help us to perform a copy. As you know, in case of system Verilog, if we want to perform a deep copy, then we need to declare our own logic. Whereas in UVM, there is no need for us to write that our own method for performing a deep copy. Inbuilt copy, compare, clone, and pack and unpack methods are there in UVM, and it is become very easy for us to use them. Now see, this is very simple example. All these things I have already explained you in the print method. Now, just I am declaring a class my sequence and extending from UVM sequence item. Okay, and I am declaring some properties, and these properties I am declaring as a rand because I want to randomize these properties. Now, this is the factory registration macros. Take UVM object details because this sequence is object, right? And in that I am providing all these properties, and I am declaring UVM all on. This UVM all on set all operations on. Like all operations means copy, compare, pack, unpack, print, clone. But if you want something not to be done, like if you want that no copy, then you can put no copy, no compare. If you want no compare to be done, right? Now this is what something new. In my previous video I have not did this, right? So this is vertical bar UVM decimal. If we are printing, by default the print method print all the randomized data in hexadecimal form. But if you want them to print in decimal format, then just you need to write vertical bar UVM underscore DEC decimal. If you want them to print in binary form, then UVM BIN. If you want octal format, then UVM OCT. Okay. Now see, this is for the default constructor. As this class sequence class is an object in the UVM base class hierarchy, then this default constructor will expecting one argument only. Okay. Now this is what the constraint I am providing. After in the top module, I am saying this my class is there, my sequence, and I am creating two instances, or we can say the objects for this class, sequence item 0, sequence item 1. And within initial begin block, I am creating them, allocating memory them using factories create method. Sequence item 0, my sequence, this is what the class name, type id, create, and within parenthesis I am providing this object name, sequence item 0 and sequence item 1. Now first I am randomizing sequence item 0 object dot randomize, and I am printing object dot print. So it will randomize the data and print this sequence item 0. Now here is a copy method, very simple. What I want to do, I want to copy this sequence item 0 into sequence item 1. So the syntax is sequence item 1 dot copy within parenthesis sequence item 0. This sequence item 0 which already I have randomized and print. Okay. So the syntax you can remember something like destination dot copy. This is what the source. Let me repeat, destination dot copy, and this is what the source. And I'm just printing this sequence item 1. Okay. Now we will see how this copy will help us to do a copy. Go to transcript and put our one line command qverilog file name. What is file name? All UVM examples.sv. Now see, we want sequence item 1 and sequence item 0 to be same, because we are copying that sequence item 0 into sequence item 1, right? Now see the result we are getting as expected. This sequence item 0, sequence item 1. Now see, adder address is 14, write enable is 0, read enable is 1, write data is 57, and this read data is 0. And the same here, sequence item 1, 0, 14, 0, 1, 57, D0. So this is what a copy method. Okay, very simple. We are copying sequence item 0 into sequence item 1. Now, in the last video, I have told you that this print method by default print these randomized properties into table format, right? But if I want this randomized data or print method to print in tree format, then this empty bracket within empty parenthesis, I need to write UVM underscore default underscore tree printer. So it will print this table format into tree format. Now see, and I am printing this sequence item 0 defaultly into the table format, but default sequence item 1 I want to print this into tree format. So within parenthesis UVM underscore default underscore tree printer. Now see the result. Same command qverilog file name, and we will see the result. We want sequence item 1 to be print in tree format, right? Now see the result. This is what the result as expected. Sequence item 0 is printed in table format default, and sequence item 1 in tree format. Same thing. Copy we are doing this sequence item 0 to sequence item 1, 14, 0, 1, 57, D0. So this is what all about UVM copy method. So in UVM there is no need to write our own logic for performing a deep work. While in case of SV we need to write our own logic. This is what become a ease for us. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.